What do you think? Women go outside and doing job, and men's cooking
I
food.
think that. I
Men's cooking
think that.
food and change the diapers. Oh, what is this?
In which book? In which book written like that? Only women they change diaper of their children. Why you not? Why you not?
Because I am not born to change the diaper.
Means women born.
Yes.
Means women born.
Child, is it? No, it's absolutely wrong. Okay. And
Can't you show your talent? Before marriage, can't you show your talent? After marriage, your talent comes.
Asking this question in 21st century, should a woman do job after marriage? Is this fair?
No, sir.
Is this? I think this is completely unfair.
Yes.
I don't think so. Okay, because I am standing in the center. Okay, so I have no right to give my opinion, right? I'm just trying to make you understand. Women should do job after marriage. Women should not do after marriage. They will decide women should not do job after marriage, and you will have to think about it. Should a woman do job after marriage? Let's see the complete video to understand the fact. And for this video, I have 4 people and they will make you understand about this today, and you will clearly understand about it. What should a woman do after marriage? Should she do job or not? So for this, I'm calling Mr. Saad in the center. Please come. And he believes women should not do job after marriage. Okay, next panelist, okay, Miss Alia, please come into the center, and she believes women must do job after marriage. And 2 more contestants, okay, and one is Mr. Nitish Roy. Please come in the center and define why should a woman not do job after marriage. And the last but not the least, he is Mr. Mudit Kumar. Please come into the center and just prove why should a woman not do job after marriage. So I'm signing off today. I'm not going to take your time a lot because it's my bad habit to take your time. Today my students will let you know about this beautiful topic, and this topic is not the topic. This is actually the concern of this era. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Good morning, boys and girls, and good morning, my panelists.
Morning.
And women should not do job after marriage. We believe that.
Hello, good morning. I'm Alia. I'm from SMB Kids batch. We both believe that women should do job after her marriage.
Right.
Good morning, users, and good morning, subscribers. I am Mudit, and I am from SMB Fire Batch. Women should not do job after her marriage.
In this 21st century, how can you speak like that?
I am in 21st century, then I speak like that.
Oh, means you want to live as your life, as you live, but women has not authority to live her life.
No,
Why?
men have capability to go outside and earn money. So
Okay.
why?
Okay,
Why women?
means only men have ability to do
Yes,
to go
only
outside
men.
and they
Only
can
men
earn
have
money.
ability.
Women has not authorities.
No.
Why?
Women-
How can?
women's
How
job
can you
is-
tell like that?
women's
So
job
it's
is
totally
only
wrong.
cooking
yaar.
food.
It's totally
In
wrong.
home.
How can you
Okay.
speak like that? It's totally wrong.
No,
You cannot speak like that.
It's not only the topic, it's the biggest consideration of the life. It's not only one talk. Women should not do job after marriage. Because home is our life. And if women cannot beautify our home, then the beautification of the home will be incomplete. Only the beautification of the home can be filled by woman. Woman is the home. Woman is the home, it's said. And you are telling she should go to job, she should go to earn money.
Okay.
What will be your home case? Your home is your life, bro.
Okay.
I think that you are wrong. I would like to say that if women don't do job, then we say that she's uneducated, she's not doing anything, only she's sitting on the home. But when she do, we have only problem. We have problem in every situation. Why?
Having degrees and education doesn't mean that woman is educated. in that case her child should be educated. She can give education to her child. Her child will showcase his education. Degrees doesn't matter.
Means only women they give education for their children. Means man has not authority. His not responsibility. Means you will only earn money. Okay. Means that time only women they give education to their children. Means you will only earn money, right?
Yes.
Look, every time a woman is educated but her child is not educated, so it means that her family is not educated. So all the things depend on the child, and if the child is educated, if child has social manners, education doesn't mean that only tables and math science. That doesn't mean. That is moral education. When you give someone respect, that showcases their child.
I think that you are wrong. I would like to say that what about her studies? She was doing for many years and she was preparing that I have to do this thing. But we say that no. What about her studies? She has been doing for many years.
To teach our child.
Yes.
Teach our child. You have a knowledge to teach our.
I would like to say that if there in her house there is no one to earn money, then she will be poor and she will not eat food.
What do you?
That case we will do it.
What do you think? What do you think? Women go outside and doing job, and men's cooking
I
food.
think that. I
Men's cooking
think that.
food and to change the diapers.
Oh, what is this?
Will be unfair.
Man has a big pain. A man has a big pain. That's good, yeah.
Tell me, brother. In which book written like that? Only women they change diaper of their children. Why you not? Why you not?
Because I am not born to change the diaper.
Means women born.
Yes.
Means women born. Women born for that.
This is a girl's responsibility. This is a woman's responsibility.
Which book written like that?
which
Tell me,
book
bro.
written like this?
Tell me, bro. Which book?
Our culture.
Our culture. What is? If you go and if you study our culture in our history, right? Women go to work. Women go to collect some fruit. Women go to collect some fruit, right? And then that time, men they are protecting their children. That time, if you study, if you talk about
But
your
bro,
history.
you are living in this time.
Yeah, so
And
this
This is
is
the
all
21st
time-
century.
Yeah, I know about it. I know about it. I know about it.
You know that this.
I know about
this
it.
time. You
I
know this time
I
very
know.
well.
Yeah, I know.
You know.
Okay.
The divorce cases is increased day by day.
Yes.
Why?
Because
Women go outside
because of
and
less
get
of
a
money.
fire.
Because of less of money, brother.
No.
Yeah.
This is not
Because of less of money.
No.
Always we create.
Man have able to earn money. Man is able to earn a lots of money.
Okay, means girls cannot earn money, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
How?
Girls think you can earn. Girls think can earn money.
Yeah.
So you can get tuition in home. Not go out. No go outside.
Means what is her desire? What is her desire? What is her desire?
Can you give me mic?
Yeah, give mic to Chinese students, yeah?
Can she do multitasking? From morning to evening, she do work. She does work
Yeah.
in the to the job. And after that, in the night, she will also do job. She will also work for her children. She is not a robot.
I would like
Human.
to.
Yeah, she's not a
She can do only work, and
I would like to say that.
even a man only earn money, and woman can do both things. How can you say?
I would like to say that.
Don't understand the pain of women.
sir.
We understand. I think that every time women are dependent on others. Women are dependent on their husband, and she cannot buy anything. She cannot have their desire. She cannot have.
Mic like this and use this hands. Yeah, please.
I think that she has no rights to buy anything. Only we have to. If there is no one in her home, what she will do?
What she
What she will do?
He's the boy that is looking. What should I say?
Only a man can do a job. Woman cannot. You are living in 21st century. You should understand this. And nowadays, many women are doing jobs.
if you think girls doing job, so you go to the online selling app, you sell the products and earn money in home.
Okay, you will define.
Okay, so no problem. Means you accept.
This man will decide what will
Yeah.
woman do.
Means
No. Decide here?
no. Means you
I'm
are
talking. This
What?
topic is
Yeah.
women not go outside for doing job.
right.
I think women should do job, but in home,
Right.
not go outside.
Okay. Means means you are
Great idea he has.
Okay. No. I'm not agree with you actually, but actually, if you go to hospital, right, there is lot of women and those who nurse, right, those who protect. Those who protect patients, right. So that time you are telling like that, ki men born because of they change diaper. That time if some patient and they are not able to, they are not able to wake up on their seat. So that time you have to do this. You have to change their diaper. If women don't go to outside,
Right.
Why?
that time you will ready to change.
So there is a multi reasons of this and several reasons, like no one means family. There is a family expectation, like the family will not allow you to do job. If a man is doing job, then why should a woman do job? Because all the parents live for their children, and if her children has education, then all the desires of her and her parents will be completed. So if you talk about the desires, then her children is the desire of herself.
Right.
So it is the desire, and if her children is educated, all the desires are fulfilled. So this is only we talk about the woman and we don't talk about her children. It can't be uneducated.
Directly you want to say that it's a responsibility that women, they will protect their family. Okay, means she always, you want to say, she always sacrifice his life. Means she don't go outside, she don't go to shopping. You want to say like that.
She will go to shopping. Shopping
Why?
is different.
He
It's
telling
not a job.
he was telling that women should not go outside. He was telling that time.
Yeah.
Bro, your mother and all the mothers are living for us,
Right.
are dependent on your children. So if she will go to job, and what about of her children?
Means only woman responsibility that she will take care
Yes,
of his children.
I'm telling, because old if you follow the olden culture, and if you follow the now, if you follow the means 21st century culture, it's also women will take care of the
Okay,
children.
you
Women
are-
will learn the moral education.
Okay.
This is fully dependent, and teach moral education, and a man will give money to the needs of children for education.
Okay.
This is the thing.
The new rule of 21st century, right?
Right, but
Applied by Mr.
And
Shah.
every moral education, moral education can be fulfilled by can be taught by their mother, and can't be taught by the father, because woman has the pain, all the pain.
Woman has
So she
emotion.
she can teach the emotion.
Okay, okay,
But if she will not having emotion,
Okay,
if
okay.
she will be doing job, then she can't have emotion. She will be busy in herself, she will be depressed because of the work, lot of work.
Okay.
So emotion matters.
Woman is depressed, the family will be depressed. Okay.
Her children will learn from that.
But okay.
Nowadays, we think that woman has no desire to fulfill her dreams.
I told her about desires. If a woman is married,
Only man
so
can
her
fulfill. Only
man
man
is
can-
also not. One can
If
also
she
not
has-
fulfill the
I
desire
think
after
that
marriage,
if-
because he need to work for his family, for his children. So finish the desire word.
I
okay?
think that,
desire is after
If she
before
has
marriage.
some aim, she will not become that,
She will become before marriage. Okay, after marriage she need.
and she have to go to job. If she have
So
became that,
okay, imagine
she
that
will go-
a woman has 3 childs, and she will fulfill her desire. She will be not caring of children and all.
She will
So what-
also, like in every
I
fight
told
you
her
have,
she is not a
I would
boss.
like to say, in every fight man says that I won't give you money. In that time, if she has education, she can do job. Yeah.
She can do
In
job.
every fight, man says that I won't give you money.
You're talking about these nonsense things. Every
I'm not
fight and
talking
that.
about you.
Talk about the fact, okay?
Then she
If-
can go to job and earn money.
Okay, I am telling that she will do job and she will earn money. But what about her children? Her
I
family
think that
members, her
she
mother.
like in this time, nobody is understanding the sense of freedom. She has no sense of freedom. But when she will go outside and do some job, she will not have stress.
Hold this mic.
She
She
will
will not
she
have
will have
stress.
stress. Okay. If you're doing job with a producer, she will have lot of stress of business,
I-
and she have to take care about her business. What about the jobs?
Where are you? Please give your points. Give your points. Yeah. So, some new points. Add some new points, please. Yes.
Women go outside doing job.
Yeah.
After some time, women's behavior will change automatically. Our family and our husband and our child.
Right.
Okay.
Means you want to speak like indirectly that means women born with their talent and they should die with their talent, right?
You have a talent to show in your home.
Means we only able to show in home.
Yeah.
What is this?
You have a talent to show in your home. You have a YouTube.
Okay, means I have YouTube. I will show my talent on
Nobody
YouTube.
wants to interrupt on this point. Okay. He says,
Cat talent.
wait. What he says?
Going home.
Okay. If you have your talent, show the talent in the kitchen.
Yeah,
What is this?
he's saying.
How can this man record this man? How can he say that?
Because
Yeah, wait.
has
She
not
wants to, add some points here. Yeah, please recall her.
have mic?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I want to say that as Mr. Mudit said that if you have talent show at your home, I want to know that why only girls will show their talent at home. Why
because
can't you?
girls have a cooking.
You need to show your talent also at your
because
home.
girls have a expert in cooking.
What is this?
What a doing job. Okay. Boys, all boys has expert for going outside and doing
Listen to
job.
me. I want to say if you will search in Google, you will find that girls are
Go
girls
and
are doing
search.
better than
Go
boys.
and
Okay?
search.
Girls are doing
No.
better than boys.
No,
You
go and search.
are
Boys is
not
boys
talking
is
about
better
that.
than
Go and-
girls.
Go and check.
Okay.
Boys
Go
better
and
than
check.
girls.
Yeah.
How can you think like that?
What is this?
How can you speak?
How can you
speak?
How can you speak? Girls is better.
Means you are directly telling that your mother is nothing for you. Your mother is nothing for you.
Okay.
No.
My mother have a knowledge.
Okay.
My mother has a knowledge and teaching child in home.
Only she teaches her child. Only she teaches her child.
Like,
What's your responsibility, sir? What's your responsibility?
My responsibility is
Only
good.
earn money. Only
Yeah,
earn money.
only earn money.
Responsibility at only he.
Okay,
he will earn
okay.
money.
You don't earn money. What you do in home? Or what you give in home?
Actually,
Okay, tell me one thing. Yeah,
You want to-
speak up. Yeah, I want to say something. Tell me one thing. According to them, as they think that like if you have desire and you have talent, if you are educated, just educate your child.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing. Like from childhood, whatever we are learning just for teach our child. Is it? No, it's absolutely wrong. Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing. I want
marriage,
to say.
can't you show your talent?
What?
Before marriage, can't you show your talent? After marriage, your
Listen to
talent
me,
comes.
Listen to me.
They don't want to do the
Yeah, as
women doesn't want to work, okay?
no, absolutely. You are also wrong here, sir.
Just explain
You
this
have
point.
20 years to show your talent.
Listen,
but after
listen.
marriage, you need to show your
remember
talent.
You also don't show your talent after marriage, like before marriage. Listen,
After marriage,
tell me one thing. Let me tell me one
no,
thing.
no.
Just tell me one thing. Let me tell me one thing.
No. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Give the point. Okay, yeah, please. This man will cry,
No, why cry, sir?
Oh, because you're man.
No, sir. I'm man, but I'm favor of sir. I'm favor of women. What? Okay. So means you are telling like that. Okay. I mean, before marriage. Okay. Where is your talent, right? So, sir, you have to understand. If you want to succeed in your life, it will take time. Okay. And you cannot say that. You
After
cannot.
marriage, you succeed. After marriage, you succeed.
It will take time.
Before marriage,
Okay, there
same age you can't succeed.
Yeah, there are lot of girls those who doing job before marriage, right? There are lot of girls, right? You cannot speak like that. So
Before marriage. Because before
marriage and after marriage,
because
before marriage and after marriage,
Listen,
they can do
listen.
job, but they are doing job.
before marriage, girls have can't option. So you go outside and doing job.
Okay.
But after marriage, girls has an option.
Okay, tell me
husband
why
earn money.
why a woman is married in a family? Because of she has to also understand the home case. If a woman is married in any family, then she have to care. And marriage, you can say directly or indirectly, marrying with a husband means that to care, to means showcase her love for the children, to showcase her love for the family, and she will live in the family. She will become lovely to the family. And before marriage you can do anything, but if a girl is married, then she should live in the home and she should care her child.
Means she will give you respect, right? You want to respect from girls, right? But you don't want to give respect to girls.
We are giving to respect.
How
to girls.
can you giving respect? You are telling telling like that she only cooking me. She is only ever to cooking food, and she have to cook only. Why?
Can a man cook?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
How can he earn money?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
You are telling she will also have.
Okay, we will cook. Okay, and there are million of students those who go to out of their house and they cook food and they study. So means what? They should bring some girls with him and go to study, right?
Yeah, you are right.
If his financial condition is good, she can hire a maid in her house.
Yeah.
If his financial condition is good, she can hire a maid.
Yeah, if both are earn money, so we can hire a maid. If both are earn money, so
You're both. How can you say both will earn money?
means women and men.
I have a woman. 1 minute. I have a woman. So why invest in men?
What?
You know,
I have a woman. So why invest in men?
women know how to invest money in a good way. So both earn money, and who will invest the money? Money will be having means on the campaign.
Okay, means
Women know
means you are-
better than
means
men
you are
how to
telling-
invest
means-
money.
means
That's
you are
why.
telling-
Your mom knows better than your father how to invest the money. Your father will give the money to your mom, and she will invest the money in any case.
I think that
Yes.
only mother will tell the discipline.
Yes.
Father cannot tell the
Father has
discipline.
the time to tell the discipline.
Yeah, father
If
has.
he will tell.
Like in this time, in present time, many girls are doing job. Many women are doing job. Have you not
You know,
seen?
and according to NFHS, 32% people,
Yeah.
32% women do job in India. You can search on Google. According to
I have
NFHS, because of financial condition, all the women who is poor, then she do job. And if her financial condition is good, so why
Like-
should it do job?
I think that sometimes family has some also desire and family fulfillment. She can do family fulfillment like in her like every time she will not be dependent on men's.
She is
will
not
be
dependent on men.
her.
I am telling she is
Yeah,
not.
she is
independent.
Now she is.
How can she?
How
she
can you
has
say?
no freedom. She has
Explain.
freedom to cook only food.
She.
I give you example. I give you example.
First I
You
want
know
to-
the Jyoti Moria.
Yeah, I know. I know about her.
You know the Jyoti Moria.
About her. I know about her. Yeah, I know about her.
और पढ़ाओ
You given education, doing job, and kick out our husband. So her husband. So why give freedom to women to doing job?
Actually, sir is.
This is not a one
Actually,
case. This is not a one case.
I think sir is.
No. This is
Sir
one.
is sleeping. Sir don't know about Mother Teresa. Sir don't know
wow,
about
Mother
the. Sir don't
Teresa.
know about. I mean to say Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi, yeah.
She's sleeping. He's sleeping.
Okay.
Sir. Actually, he's
Yeah,
sleeping.
yeah.
Okay, she was Mother Teresa. She was not married. Okay, with any man. She was not married with any man. That's why she was doing job. If you talk about the married, then she has to do home. All the home needs.
What's about Indira Gandhi? What's about Indira Gandhi?
Indira Gandhi was married.
No.
And what's about Sonia Gandhi?
I don't know about her.
Yeah, why don't you know? Why don't you know about her?
because I don't know. Indira Gandhi and Mother Teresa, these are famous names. That's why I know. And I told that she was not married. That's why she was fulfilling her needs.
But there is a lot of example now.
Yes, example. And there is a lot of example of.
Yeah, you can say one more thing. She didn't get married just because she was aware that like your type of people
Yeah.
did not give them
Right.
permission to do work.
Actually, you're right.
Wow, nice. I was also not born in that time.
Because of society, your type of people.
Yeah, seriously.
Women have come into power now. Your type of people is very bad.
Yeah,
No, sir. Sir, I know that this generation. I know we both of boys know that this generation what going outside. Okay, then we not give permission to women doing job.
And
Okay.
who the hell are you to give permission, woman?
Who are you? I'm a boy and I will become a husband. So no, I have power.
Like that.
I have power. I will become a husband. So I have power.
When
Sir,
you
who
will
give
become
you
on that time,
authorities? Sir,
just
who
keep.
give you authorities?
Constitution.
Constitution.
Yes.
Oh my God. Constitution.
Yes.
Okay, you will decide about women.
Means constitution in which
You will decide about women.
in which section?
Okay.
Tell me in
You know the constitution law?
See the mentality of the boys.
You know the constitution law?
Yeah.
After divorce, girls have give husband 50% property.
Yeah.
Okay. So I change the constitution and pass the law. After divorce, all husband
Yeah.
give 100% property women's property.
So if you will torture her, what she will do?
What she?
I'm not tortured.
I will not touch her. I want to give
so
respect.
Means she enjoy.
Yeah, this time respect.
Hey, boys want to give respect to the girls. Okay, they don't.
I think that respect of cooking food. I think that he will give respect of cooking food.
Respect to them. We also
Yeah,
don't want
he wants respect. After that, he wants respect. After that, he wants respect.
I think that
I think you are just talking about
It is getting hyper.
stupid things because
Viewers, you understand debate is going to be very, very, aggressive here, right? And these guys are ready to fight, okay? And they are completely dead against women, and these guys are giving great favor to women. So everyone is giving their best point, and this is not their feeling actually. This is debate. All right. So in debate, everything is fair. You wanna speak? लड़कों का दर्द समझा जाए आज यार.
yeah, please.
Yeah.
I'm listening your topic and laughing at your topic. You are nonsense, totally nonsense. Once a woman marry, then she has to sacrifice for their children. She has to. If they don't want to sacrifice, then don't marry.
Don't do marriage.
Don't do marriage. A boy also has lots of desire. They kill their desire for their children, for their family, and
she has to-
if I talk about a girl do job. If I talk about a girl do job, she will fulfill their desire only. If a boy do job, she will try to prepare all the families. No, this is
I
also,
would like to reply that
say.
Well, has given a very beautiful point by you.
for whom she is earning money.
Point, sir.
I would like to ask that for whom she is earning money.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Once you get married, then you have to think for your children only, not for you, your desire.
Yeah.
Yes. First you have to your first priority should be your children.
You will
Your
forgive
first
your mother.
priority should be your children.
Public. Backside. Yeah.
She has own life and she want to fulfill their
If you
desire.
want to fulfill your desire, then don't marry. Simply don't marry.
Okay, tell me one thing. If you get married, then why will you give why will you give pressure to do this thing, in the kitchen and all? Why? She has own life. You have own life.
I never-
You have desire. You fulfill your desire. Why she can't? Tell me one thing.
As we know that a girl is made for not only cooking food and yes, but it doesn't mean boys only to cook food. I know that ki boy has matlab extra quality. Yes. As we know, yes. I know that a single boy can handle all the situation.
Quality of cooking food.
A boy can handle all the situation, because if you see in the restaurant and there is only boy will cook lots of food, and in big restaurant, and if we talk about engineer, and they have lots of extra quality, because boy can handle all the situation, but girls can't, because if there is painful situation, if there is a strong means heavy situation,
Listen to me.
girls can't handle that situation.
Listen to me. Your partner say that you say boys have extra quality. They do anything.
But-
so why your partner say that means ki they can't provide their children. They can't solve their children's problem. Why your partner say that?
Listen to me.
Why?
As I said, Nana.
Why your partner say that?
No, sir. It's not like that. I was saying that. I am saying that ki, if a boy earn money,
Yeah.
he will earn for his children, his family, and yes, his wife also.
Right.
And if she will earn, she will spend all their money for their makeup and for their desire. Yes, this is like that.
How seriously I'm
This
telling
is
you.
like that, yeah.
No.
This is like that.
Please.
Yeah.
एक point is
As we all know that.
It's not like that, okay? It's not like it's depend on your mind. You don't want to girls do job. Girls do job, okay? Girls want to do job, but it's depend her husband. So that's why girls don't want to.
As I said, if she will earn, who will taking care of their children? As I said,
Girls can do this. Girls can do this.
you can do both things.
Yes.
As I said, not.
In
I am
one day there are only 24 hours.
Just please,
not
final, because of
48
this
hours.
panelists are waiting. Okay.
Listen, I want to say one point.
All right.
If she has lots of energy, then you said that ki she will do job, or she will handle children also.
Yes.
As I know that ki a girl's wife at floor, she will. It's paining. I am too tired. This is drama, all drama. You can't say like this, right?
One thing I want to say.
Very great.
This is right.
Okay.
Record him. And record his sister.
Yeah, I want to say something.
Yeah.
As you were telling that if girl will do both work, like homes also and outside of work, home also.
Right.
I want to say something that if unfortunately something bad happen, I can say, on that time she handle as per the situation. Right. Yes. You need to know that which type of situation is going, right?
But at 1 day or 2 day or 1 week can handle.
No,
Can be
it's not
handled
like
by
that.
girl.
You
But
have not known the example, I think. You need to know that there is a lot of people who is not able to do work just because of your type of people.
Right.
Yeah, seriously. Those who have this type of thought,
You are talking nonsense, totally
that girls
nonsense.
should not do job.
Totally nonsense. Listen. You can handle.
Yes.
I would like to say that you said that only women are fulfilling their desires. Then, for whom she's earning money?
Woman is earning money.
Yeah. Why she's earning money? She's earning money for their child. She's
And my
earning.
father is earning money.
Father is earning money for fulfillment of child. Like in this time, things are very costly.
Father's earning money for fulfill, and girls earning money for makeup.
No,
For makeup.
it's not like that.
And you earn money. And you earn.
And you speak that girl
And
is
you.
earning money for her desire.
Okay.
But father has more responsibility. That's why he's earning for her children's. And you are telling girls are earning for her desire.
Nowadays, there are many people who are earning money also and caring their child also. She has no life. She has.
They knew very
Girls have. I think that he has said that boys have many quality. Girls has also many qualities.
But
You can see.
But she has not seen it. She don't showcase it.
You have said that she has not to showcase. Modi bhaiya has said this.
So it means that girl can't showcase without boys. You're telling that he's dependent
She
on boys.
can showcase
So
if
why?
their husband give means freedom. They don't give freedom to the girls.
So you were saying that she is independent. Means she can showcase without her husband.
Give me mine.
That's why.
Actually, yeah, I want to know from Nitish Bhaiya. Nitish Bhaiya, are you married? I'm not married.
What do you think girls should do job?
Yeah, why not?
It means you have no ability to do job.
Yeah, I have ability to job.
So why girls should do job?
Because of if you think like that, if you think like that, and you think like that. After lost her husband, who will take her after lost her husband? You think like that?
Means that I'm not against. I'm not against to don't get education, don't be qualified for any job. I'm just saying you. If you have that type of situation, you can handle by your education, by your qualification, by your
Okay,
yes.
sir.
As I said, our topic, after a woman after marriage, she will do job or not.
Right. Yeah.
It doesn't mean that she will not do job before marriage. This is not like that. You have if you have done the job, then you will get after 5 years or 10 years. If the situation will create yes
means you want to say like that she can do work when she lost her husband, right? Means if you think like that, if her husband death after 14 years, right? So what will they in 40 years? How can they go to work? How can she go to work?
Okay. A girl is always young.
What?
She will not get
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, she becomes old. She becomes old.
Okay, no. Finalist, please, finalist. Yeah.
So I think that we should means allow the girl should not do job because she is just getting you are talking about qualification education. So in the home, qualification education not be shown, bro. Education is the thing that can be shown in anywhere in the world. If a girl is in the home, she is disciplined, she is understanding the situation, then that's her education. And education doesn't mean that degrees. If you have degrees, show the degree and you will get a job. This is not education. Your disciplines, your attitude, your child is a recognition of her mother. If a child is undisciplined, then anyone will guess that his parents has not taught him. Parents is also undisciplined.
What is the meaning of parents?
Like if you do some
What
mischievous.
is meaning of parents? First tell
Parents
me.
का meaning बताइए. What is the
Meaning of parents is
Father and mother.
to care the family.
What is meaning of parents? Means
Yeah.
father and mother both. Right. Not
Care
only
the
mother. Right. So if some boys and if some means children has some means all type of discipline he has, right? So it's also the responsibility of his father, right? You are also responsible, not only woman.
Yes, I told that. I told that also responsible for his father.
Right.
But most of the case, father is not in the home. In most of the case, so in that case, all the responsibilities goes to the mother.
Why you only earn money? Why we not? Why means women cannot earn money? He has also authorities to earn money. They have also authority to earn money.
Yes.
They have also lot of desire, right? Why she always ready to sacrifice for you?
Their desires, right?
Their desire. Why?
Alright. Okay, can I have public rounds? Okay, from this side. Okay, can you please pick some points here? Alright. Yeah.
I will speak to you.
I will speak to you.
I want to give you one question. Whenever her husband lost her husband, okay, she has children. She has lots of children. That time, what should we do?
Government
Let him speak.
Government, sir. Government.
Government provide the money every month.
Government provide.
Give the money every month.
Actually, he don't.
You can run.
Actually, he don't know the condition of. Actually, he doesn't. Actually, he doesn't the condition of a student. And he told me that.
Next point. Tanu.
ऐसे में मेरा ही बेइज्जती
Firstly, who gives right women do job or not?
Absolutely right. Who gives right to women?
I am woman and we are decision women should do women do job and not.
so take decision and cut the decision of your family members of your mother.
If women do job, you do not job, and how can represent ourselves?
Represent ourselves. You're talking about represent ourselves. Only women can represent.
And men are only thinking cooking foods. Women.
Right.
Why do we?
It means that your mother is telling that don't do job because you have your husband is a good guy and he also earn lot of money. So she will cut her family expectation. She will know I will do job for my desire. I know myself better than
Let's speak here.
woman has also responsibilities.
Tanu. Yeah.
Everyone needed a lot of money and extra money and. Women earning to extra money and who doesn't
You
like
can't
extra
die
money?
with
Who
money.
doesn't like extra money?
Even a
Huh?
man likes extra
Yes,
money.
you
Yeah.
will die, but you are taking only money because
No.
you will die with money.
Woman is
Money.
woman is everything to do anything.
Yeah.
So it means that you are telling that
Nowadays,
woman can do
women handle
everything.
everything.
Nowadays,
Women can handle
yes,
everything.
handle.
All right.
Don't
No,
talk about.
one more round.
Cut your father's and
One more
mother.
round I want. Okay, from there.
Mother opinion.
Please, yeah. You give your point. Please. Yeah. It's fine.
As he say कि government provided their like money, so you live in 21st century, so you know that कि there कि how much the case in girls, like many girls and she lost her husband, and now government are not provide.
Please speak loudly.
It's fine. No, let
Government does not provide their
Government is not
for their money.
No providing.
No.
Government every month provide 5,000 rupees. Okay.
5,000.
It is not like that.
5,000
Only
rupees.
5,000 rupees.
Yeah, every month.
Who provide? Government doesn't provide.
Sir, I know because I am a businessman. I know everything about bank and every schemes, government schemes. Okay.
Okay.
And-
Every month 5,000 rupees?
Yes.
Nobody. No.
Because you don't have mind.
Okay.
How can you say that we don't have mind? Our mind like you.
You don't have mind. So how can no this is scheme?
Okay, don't say that. They have a lot of mind here. They have mind.
Without mind is
All right,
without
look,
mind is
pass the mic,
cooking.
pass the mic. Finalist, please. Start, finalist. Okay.
And
Okay. Now up points. You need to
Fine.
find points more diligently. Okay. You will fight नहीं. आपको best point नए point निकाल के देने हैं. You have to speak new points. Don't indulge in the old points. Okay. Yeah, please start.
She will gain confidence.
Can we end?
Just 2 points more, and after that.
No, I want to say something.
Lord.
So Mudit, you say कि girls don't have mind, okay?
Yeah.
Girls don't have mind, so how can girls handle all problem? How can girls handle all family? How can say that? Okay.
Only girls handle problems. You go outside and fight with girls.
What?
You go outside. So you think anyone attack you? Okay. You can fight with her.
Yes.
Okay,
You slap.
it will also happen at home, right?
It can happen at home as well.
Right?
Yeah.
It's also happen at home. That time who will protect? Say women. If you go to walk, that time who will protect them?
The women's close the door.
Absolute is idea, yaar. Absolute is idea.
Clap for this one, public. Viewers, you also clap.
Means you have to close your door all the time.
Give the mic, okay. Now I think, yeah, time we need to understand the viewers' time and the length of video as well. All right. So I want the last point from the crowd and maybe from the panelists. Okay, last point you need to just give, and after that we will wind up. Okay, all right. So it goes to Mr. Saad, please.
So at last, I don't want to make this fight more exaggerate. So let's think that both should do job. And I'm sorry for this guy because this guy speak a lot of means wrong things like close the door. I also don't agree with these type of points. So that's why. So at last, women should do job and satisfy all the family members. And if all the family members is satisfied, then the woman is also satisfied. So this is the thing.
I would like to say that if a woman do job, she will gain some confidence and she can manage their family and work together. And in last, I would like to say that if her parents and family satisfied in the time, it's good and she can do job.
Boys have a respect. After marriage, boys thinks girls go outside and doing job, so our respect affect us. So that's the point.
Final point you have to say. Don't exaggerate.
No, I'm not exact.
And my point is that women should job because of one father cannot fulfill their family desire, right? So that's why I'm telling you that women should job.
Both should talk.
Right.
Yes.
And my thing is women shouldn't do job, live in home and take care child and take care families better.
That's good. Okay. All right. Public, do you have any point? All right. Pause.
I want to.
Okay. Wait. Yeah.
Let this decision for on girl. She will decide she will do job or not. Right? And also I respect a lot about girl and women. She is good manager. As I said, if boy will earn 10,000, she will handle her home if she wants. Thank you.
That's beautiful. So finally, we understand women should do job or not, okay? And in both cases, okay, some things are there, but finally we think, okay, women should do jobs, right? And to make their family better, okay, to handle their family better, and even to earn some experience which they can share with their children as well, right? So after marriage, it's a final conclusion. Women should do jobs, okay, but they cannot compromise the demand, the happiness, and the emotions of their family members, and especially their, fathers-in-laws, mothers-in-laws. Okay, they also need their time, right? So this is done. Okay, so now pause. So viewers, now it's your turn to share this beautiful video to everyone in your contact list, okay, to your family members, and most importantly, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do it right now.